Good, yeah. Good practice. What's up, Eddie? Wave our flag. Well, give it a wave. I put a lot of work into that thing. The North Korean flag. Sweet. Did you bring your gun? Oh, in the truck. What is this? Backups?
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay. I found the mag. Would you mind holding those? Hold this one a second. Which channel are you on? 22?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You got radio.
Yeah, don't give me his.
Sweet. I was trying to call you. Just make sure it's working. Eddie.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Good deal. I'm going to go in the safe zone, put this rough shirt on, and take a whiz.